Wizard or Prophet presents a tool review. All right, my acolytes, I am back. I've had a good new year. My internet was out for a week or so, thanks to our local power agency coming and snipping the cable lines out in front of my house. And then, of course, you know how cable companies are. It takes about 10,000 years to actually find a real person to tell you what's going on. Anyways, we're back. So today I've got an unboxing. I ordered some new tools from Rocky Mountain ATV and motorcycle, some motorcycle tools. These are T-handles, and I'm going to do a whole series on some T-handles in the next week. And so I'll have some T-handles available to view every time. So I've cut the box open here. We're gonna pull out, we've got this as a sealed box here. These are T-handles. We're gonna look at those a little later. And the other thing I wanted to show you was this that I just got. All right, so what is this? Well, first off the bat, you can see they poorly packaged that. It's already broken here. This is a Speed T-handle. Essentially, I saw this and it has both 3/8 and 1/4. Yep, 1/4 and 3/8 drives, reversible fixed handle, and free spinning sleeve for quick fastening. And of course it comes apart here. Unfortunately, look at that. Made in China. I'm not a fan of made in China tools, and anyway, let's see what we've got here. Looks like this just slides out. So let's get a tool here and see if we can get that. I'm going to talk about this tool too. This thing is awesome. My wife actually bought me a tool for Christmas. All right, so let's take this off. Let's see what we have. Of course, this is Tusk. Again, this is Tusk is the name brand tools for Rocky Mountain ATV and MC. Of course, they're a great big company. They sell all kinds of brands, motorcycle gear, tools, tires, everything. This is the first time I bought from them, so I can see already that the color on this looks like it is used. There are scratches up and down it. I thought this was supposed to be a bright red. Kind of looks like a pink. Did not fare well in shipping. Look at that. There's a scratch there. There's scratches here. This is aluminum. So the anodizing did not cure correctly, or it was just poorly done. But there are lots of scratches on here. And of course on this side you have a 1/4 inch drive, and on this side you have a 3/8. And then on the handle here, which that does not slide, that is, it looks like it might be welded in place in there. It does not slide. I thought it would slide like a typical T-handle. It does not. So 3/8 here, 1/4 here, 3/8 here, 1/4 here, and you stick this on, and right away, that is shoddy. That's what you're supposed to do. You put your put a socket here on the end, and then you can spin that around. And then if you want the 1/4 drive, you flip it around here on this side. Okay, that's a little tighter, but it's still pretty loose. And that spins like that. This looks like it is held on with just a clip and not a very secure one. I'm guessing if I put some pressure on that, it would pop off. But maybe not. But it looks like it will. So this thing was $20. Made in China. It's collapsible because I like these things in my motorcycle bags, and I thought, hey, this might be an interesting one. Frankly, I would probably send this back. Unfortunately, reading the return policy for Rocky Mountain, you have to pay shipping back. This thing weighs probably a couple pounds. So, you know, I'm going to spend $8, $9 shipping it back. And I don't even know if they would take it since it was shipped and it came here, and their shipping thing says your shipping return policy, not your shipping policy, your return policy says you have to have it come back pristine, and obviously that's broken as it came. And of course, this looks like it was all scratched to hell, and they'd probably blame me. So I guess I'm stuck with it. Anyway, I don't recommend it. And there you go. I don't always like everything that I buy. If this was Amazon, I would have sent it right back. This is not Amazon, and so it does not get to send right back because I have to pay for shipping, and it is not worth it. So I will put it in the drawer, and we will see if I ever use it. As I go through this week and start reviewing other T-handles, I'm going to be reviewing a Koken, 2 Kokens. See that right there? Those are much higher quality. I've actually used those for a couple of years now. So we'll talk about those. Rocky Mountain ATV, MC Company, Tusk Speed T-Handle. That's a 5 out of 10 for me. With that slop, it coming all scratched up, and it seems to spin okay. It's pretty darn heavy. I mean, it's this thing that makes it heavy. There you go. All right, we'll see you soon. I thought I had something more to say.